24/7 live account access. This is a short video to give you instructions on how to use our 24/7 live access. If you go into the webpage ag-lawllc.com, this will appear as your front screen as soon as you get online. Now, this application allows you to manage your account with 24/7 access. You can make payments online, you can set up payments, you can exchange documents, you can e-sign documents. There's also the ability to live chat with an agent, and you also have mobile access from your phone.
You can get the app for your mobile device by opening your camera, scanning the QR code. When you scan the QR code, you will go to the 24/7 login page. At the bottom of the page, you'll find two buttons. One button will take you to the Google Store. The other button will take you to Apple's App Store.
The best part of it, all of it is secure. It provides the best secure process for you to exchange documents with Abraham Ginden. The first thing you want to do is to go to the sign up or login link here. So you click on the sign up and login. I'm using the web version here. So the first thing I would do is sign up or log in. After I sign up and log in, this page for 24/7 will appear. And there are multiple ways to access your information on the web. The easiest and simple way is to set up an account through the login with 24/7 credentials. As you can see, I already have an account set up for me that allows me to have a secure login. I'm also able to click this button if I forgot my password. There also is a connection here that allows you to set up a new account. So this would be one of the first ways you could go ahead. And if you have this available to you, you will get real-time notifications when documents are provided or updates for payments and things to that extent. The other way to look at your account information is to log in with your personal info. Click on this tab here, and you can go ahead and add at least the last 4 digits to your search, which is required. Okay, and account number. And you can also do a first name or last name. And then go ahead and click on submit. You have to click off on this privacy notice and these disclosures, and hit confirm. And then it asks you, do you want to create a new profile? At this point, you should create a new profile. This will allow you easier access, similar to what you already have here. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. So now, once you click on that button, you'll come to the front screen. At this point, you will see your account details. You'll see your payment history. You'll see the amount that's due. You'll be able to make a payment. You'll also have the ability to chat live with us at any point in time. The other way that you can log in is log in as a guest. That's also very easy. You go into the sign up and log in, and you go into proceed as guest. And this site, you can just, all you need to do is provide some simple information. And then enter your phone number. If you hit secure login, it will bring you to a page, but you will only be as a guest and you'll have limited access. You can also do an account lookup. And in this place, you can provide similar information. And this will give you details about your account on a small screen here. But again, the best way to do this to get the most thorough action or the best information on your account is to either log in with your personal info or log in with new credentials that you can set up back here. That's all I have for today to go over the account lookup. We'll have more instructions on how to use 24/7 in other videos. Appreciate your time and have a good day.